Have you ever wondered why some people shy away from investing, even small amounts, in their dreams? It's a common fear, this fear of investing. It holds many back from achieving their financial dreams. The fear of losing what they have, the fear of the unknown. There's a misconception out there, a big one. It whispers in people's ears that you need significant capital to start investing, to start building wealth. It's just not true. In reality, the world of investing is accessible to everyone, regardless of how much money they have in their pocket. It's not about having a mountain of money to start with. It's about knowledge, planning, and starting small. It's about taking that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Fear is a roadblock, but not an end. The journey to financial independence begins with a single step, and sometimes that step is a small investment. Consider the story of Jane Doe, who started with just a few $100s and an unshakable belief in her financial future. Jane was no Wall Street tycoon when she began, merely a common woman with an uncommon determination to secure her financial independence. She started small, investing just a few $100s into a promising startup. There were ups and downs, of course. Days when her portfolio dipped, and she questioned her decisions. But Jane remained steadfast, never losing sight of her long-term goals. She diversified her investments, venturing into bonds, mutual funds, even real estate. And through it all, she persisted, reinvested, and learned. Years later, Jane's perseverance paid off. Those small, seemingly insignificant investments matured, growing exponentially. Today, she enjoys the fruits of her labor, living comfortably off her investment earnings. Jane's story proves that with the right mindset, even small investments can lead to monumental financial success. So, what can we learn from Jane's story about creating self-wealth? From Jane's journey, we can draw some key lessons. She started small, showing us that it's not about how much you have to invest initially, but about consistency and informed decisions. Jane didn't wait for a windfall. She began with what she had and step by step, incrementally built her wealth. The power of consistency cannot be underestimated in wealth creation. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. Jane also made informed decisions, not just blindly throwing her money into investments. This required learning, research, and sometimes seeking advice. And what did all of this lead to? Financial independence. This isn't just about having money. It's about freedom and security. It's about sleeping well at night, knowing you're in control of your financial future. It's about the sense of accomplishment that comes with saying, I did this, I built this. Remember, financial independence isn't about the size of your starting capital. It's about the power of your determination, the wisdom of your choices, and the courage to take that first small step towards your dreams.